Hey guys, this is Brian here. I wanted to come out tonight. It is 7:49 p.m. here on the 19th, and I'm at the same spot. I'm gonna go down these steps, and I see we got water. So the tide's come back in, and it's come all the way back up to where it should be. It's hard to tell. In fact, the barges are out here doing their thing, and they usually come in down through the Mississippi. That's a barge right there. So we have water. Yay. There you go. That's how you can see it. Okay, that's just training that they're doing. This area over here is all military that runs through. So you're hearing gunshot. That's the military getting ready for Lord knows what. Actually, that's new. I've never heard them out there. It sounds like 50 caliber or something. Those are large. I wonder if you can hear that. Wow. There's a major training exercise going on out there. I wonder if you can hear that or not. There's a couple of weapons firing out there. That's new too. That didn't happen out there. That usually happens out over the range, which is to my north. And that's south. That is on the island, the barrier island out there in the Gulf of Mexico. So that's on the beach. It's pretty wicked. All right, guys. All right, Wayne. Been working all day, just got done. So if you happen to hear this, I am definitely down to do this tomorrow. I know you're getting ready to start your Friday night show, so much love, buddy. I'm sorry I missed you today. I am looking forward to talking with you. All right, much love, guys. Boy, I hope they don't bring that gunfire this way. See you later.